Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new destination. We are going to the waterfalls, and during this journey we're gonna explore the places, and we're also gonna try to cook some food over there. Basically, it would be hand cooking. We're gonna do it by ourselves, and we're gonna try to show you exactly like the place, what it looks like, the activities that we're gonna try. It's a new place that we're going to visit, so it would be new to us. Also, it would be interesting, as you see, like the first time you visit some place, it looks interesting and it looks mysterious a little bit. So stay with us. Alright everyone, so we have reached to the point that we are confusing. So basically we planned that we can visit we can say like a long waterfall, but at this point we are still seeing the waterfalls, not actually one, but what we have planned, it doesn't go exactly as we want. But we have come across many waterfalls, and we are still going, and we're gonna try to explore more in the way, because this destination, this is the first time that we came here and we didn't plan well. So that's the main issue. But I guess the journeys that you haven't planned to are the most beautiful one. So I'll try to show you like the view on the top over here, and you can see the whole view. I'm not pretty sure if you can see the view over here, but it's really beautiful. Alright, so we are getting close to our destination, and then we can share with you the like the food, the preparation of cooking, etc., and show you some of the views. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna like. We are still in the road, and at the moment we're just trying to find a place where we can sit and prepare our food first to relax, and then prepare our food, because we have been driving for a very long time, so we have to give up because we don't know the destination, so we're just guessing the place. So it's better we just pick a spot and yeah, relax and eat. Look what I just found here. It's pretty small. Come here. Wow, wow. It's really amazing. I don't know what is doing in this place. Like there is no house here. People they just came like randomly. Oh. Finally, we have reached to our destination after a very long time. We were searching for the place where we can eat, relax, sit down, and we find this place. Quite really good. We have a waterfall over here, but it's really beautiful. But it's enough for us. All right, we can sit down over here and try to cook and explore some places in around here. So we have waterfall over here, and this place is for people who wants to walk through. For example, if you want to go up over there, you need to follow this bamboo over here, and then you can go up there. But I think it's worth it if you like the views on the top over here. We have our stuff over there, so basically we will try to cook in this place. We have everything that we need: the stew, vegetables, meat, basically anything that we need, and we will try to enjoy our time in this specific place. This is the top of the rock, and we can see the next of the view over there. Now I think we gonna go to try to cook some food. All right, guys. So it's time to prepare the food. So see you there. Alhamdulillah, so we finally finished. It's time to try these sandwiches and enjoy it. So guys, now it's time for the tea. Well, it's really good. And the taste is really great. It's a mint tea, and I hope you could try it one day. It's a Moroccan tea. And actually, it starts raining at the moment, so it's really, yeah, we could say it's really nice and interesting. At the same time, it would be difficult because I didn't prepare for, yeah, to be rained, so it would be challenging for me. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and we're finally back home after a while. I guess we spent almost 5 hours in our trip, and we finally finished. We have enjoyed our time. We really like it. We also enjoyed the video as well. It's really interesting. I hope we get back again to the same place in the next time. So now we know the destination. So next time it will be easier to reach the place and also enjoy the view as well. This is the end of our destination. So if you like this content, please consider to subscribe to our channel and like the video and put a comment and give your opinion about the video.